final product I want to talk about is BioGuard Smart Shield. BioGuard Smart Shield is a liquid solar cover. This will replace or at least reduce the amount of time you need to use that bulky solar cover that you have to pull off the pool and put back on, and no one really knows what to do with it when they pulled it off the pool. So instead of having to deal with that, you can add this product once a month, and it goes in, it helps keep the heat in the pool itself, and it also helps keep water in the pool. So as the summer gets warmer, you start to lose water to evaporation. You end up putting an inch or two of water in the pool periodically because you've lost it to evaporation. Adding Smart Shield once a month will help reduce the amount of water that you lose. So you end up putting less fresh water in, which means you don't have to balance as often, and you end up using overall less chemicals over the course of the summer. So Smart Shield replaces that bulky solar cover, helps keep your water warm, and helps keep water in your pool, making it overall just easier to maintain your pool over the course of the summer.